So I have seen this trend where people are getting bored of their fidget toys and like rating them and playing with them. So I have fidget toys, and I think I've already done this, but I'm gonna do it with my slime instead, because slime is kind of a fidget toy. So yeah, let's go. So first, I made this. It's homemade. It's noise putty. Well, it's not actually, but yeah. And I literally just made this. It's kind of like a poppet. So I'm just gonna play with this. And this is fluffy slime. It's not as good as it was like a couple hours ago. It looks like this when you break it apart. And I would rate it 0 out of 10. A 9 out of 10. I really love the stretch. I love the smell because it smells like shaving cream. I don't know why I like that smell. And just the feeling of, I just love it. So on to the next one. Okay, so this one, I would say it's more like putty. So if you know, if you make slime, you'll know this. If you put too much contact solution or activator in your slime, it makes it hard. So I tried to make mine like putty. It's not very stretchy. It's kind of like putty. I would rate this. It's also like a stress ball. I would probably rate this slime a 4 out of 10 because it's not my favorite. I have putty, but I don't play with it much. Yeah. And that's what it looks like ripped apart. But yeah, I give it a 4 out of 10. Next slime. So the next slime I have is this ocean slime. And it's really cool, but I'm saving that for the end because it's cool and in a good position. So moving on to the next slime. So you just saw this slime. I have it on camera. Not gonna show, but pretty good slime. I would rate this a 10 out of 10 because it's so stretchy and it's not really like super pokey. Just like this one. ASMR. Yeah, it smells kind of bad because I have not made it and it doesn't have shaving cream in it. But I rate this a 10 out of 10. Well, that's what it looks like when it breaks apart. And it's super stretchy. And I like the color, it's cute.
Can we talk to us?
And then the special one that everyone has been waiting for. The ocean slime. So this is ocean slime. I did not make this. I did add the like wave parts to it. And yeah. So it looks really cool. And it kind of looks like an ocean. It just smells like bones. Sorry guys if you hear background noise. But Here's the turtle. His name is Jimmy the Turtle, who's stuck in slime that's green. And then, yeah. This is like that goopy slime stuff that I have. Blah, blah, blah. And then I also like going like this, just squeezing it. It does make these little pieces, but I like doing it. And I can put the turtle back in. I'd give this a 7 out of 10. It's pretty nice slime, but it's not my favorite. And yeah. And so guys, that was it. Please like, because then we'll recommend to more people and you'll get more videos and better videos. And I'm going to be posting every other day.